It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we have no sleep. My mother is experiencing emotional and mental disorder due to anxiety. Wala akong research about dito. It's all observation and discernment. They have anxiety because of years and years of holding grudges and suffering emotionally in pain. They don't know how to handle their emotions hanggang sa napabayaan. Ang dami din nilang sakit na lumabas these past years, like diabetes, heat stroke, high blood, pneumonia, kidney failure, kung saan kinailangan ng dialysis, and operation sa ovary. Ang dami nilang sakit na iba pa, and variant traumas. Latest na yung physical pain ng operation, kung saan lalong nag-burst out yung emotional and mental disorder nila, wherein they are uncontrollably hurting themselves, tend to hurt others, and curse us, her children. They want us to be killed, madisgrasya, marisgo. Keep cursing and cursing, requesting for death, and asking for rest. All we ever wanted was to make her happy, protect her, give her peace in mind. Pagdating sa physical healing, ang laki ng pag-asa. May treatment, may pera naman, meron lahat. Pero pagdating sa emotional and mental, they lost it. Ang sakit sa loob na makita sila na ganyan araw-araw, gabi-gabi. Ginagawa namin lahat. Gumaling na yung operation nila sa ovary and other na sakit. Pero dumating sa point na ayaw nilang mag-dialysis. I mean, matagal na silang ayaw mag-dialysis, pero ngayon, uncontrollable na sila eh. Hindi na sila makuyong, hindi na sila makonvince. We already called everyone, our siblings, and nag-aantay na lang kami kung kailan sila magbe-visit. Kung pwede lang maipasa yung pinagdaanan ni mama kahit ako na lang. Or if time travel is real, babaguhin ko yung storya ni mama. Kaya hindi na kami mabuong mga anak nila. Pinag-uusapan namin kung ipapatingin pa si mama, pero ayaw namin dumating sa point na itali sila sa ospital.